So I'm just going to try out the new Unity modules 4.8 release. It's mainly the hand modules that's changed, and these aren't actually imported by default in Project Esky. So I'm mainly after the skeleton hand model for some reason. Might look cool. So yeah, let's have a look. So Unity modules 4.8. It's just a download there, and import it into the Unity project. And over here we can see that it's imported down here, and it's the skeleton arm model here that's been added into the hand models object here. Then use the hand binder script and auto bind it, and then add those two child objects to this left and right model here and enable it. And so this is going to be another granular synthesis demo. So we've got the sphere here in the scene, and it's the sound of a waterfall, and we've got 100 grains in random positions along the waveform with randomized lengths, but the main length is dictated through a script that I've written, just a really small 2 lines of code over here. So the size of the sphere will dictate the grain length, just a linear mapping. So back to Unity, and yeah, so resizing the sphere should change the grain length, which will sound a bit like the grains will sound longer, so it won't be as choppy basically. So I'm just gonna put on the headset. And play the project. So there's the skeleton hands, and the same Doppler effects are active on the sphere, so it's actually cutting out at the end there. I think that's the Doppler effect is so strong. And then we can reduce the size, and that's that grain length. And you can see it here in the Granulator script. I think that's actually crashed it. It can't be that big.